Welcome to an exciting exploration of how China is reshaping the future of electric vehicle (EV) production. Today, we'll delve into how this global powerhouse has emerged as a leader in the EV industry, its strategies for innovation, and the ripple effects on the global automotive market. China is often referred to as the world's factory, and its dominance in EV production is no exception. With over 6.7 million electric vehicles sold in 2023 alone, China accounts for more than 50% of global EV sales. But how did it get here? The journey began with the Chinese government's recognition of the need to reduce pollution and achieve energy independence. Back in 2009, China launched its New Energy Vehicle initiative, which offered subsidies to EV manufacturers and buyers, laying the foundation for rapid growth. Today, companies like BYD, NIO, and XPeng have become household names in the EV sector. BYD, for instance, sold over 1.8 million EVs in 2023, surpassing Tesla as the top global EV manufacturer. China's EV success story is also fueled by its control over critical components. The country produces nearly 70% of the world's lithium-ion batteries, a key component for electric vehicles. This dominance gives China a significant edge in the global EV supply chain. Take CATL, for example, a Chinese battery manufacturer that supplies batteries to Tesla, BMW, and other automakers. CATL's innovations, such as long-lasting sodium-ion batteries, are setting new industry benchmarks. China also leads in the mining and processing of rare earth elements, such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel. These materials are essential for EV batteries. By securing control over these resources, China ensures a steady supply for its burgeoning EV industry. Infrastructure is another area where China shines. The country has built a vast network of over 5.2 million public EV charging points, more than any other nation. This makes owning an electric vehicle more convenient and encourages adoption. Urban centers like Shenzhen have embraced electrification at an unprecedented scale. Shenzhen became the first city in the world to electrify 100% of its public buses and taxis, demonstrating the potential for full-scale EV adoption. China's EV industry is not just about cars. The country is also a leader in electric two-wheelers, trucks, and buses. For example, 90% of the world's electric buses operate in China, drastically reducing urban emissions. China's innovation doesn't stop with vehicles. The country is heavily investing in battery recycling and second-life applications. Companies like GEM are pioneers in recycling EV batteries, recovering valuable materials to be reused. In addition, China is spearheading advancements in autonomous electric vehicles. Baidu's Apollo program is one of the most ambitious self-driving projects globally, with over 500 autonomous taxis already in operation across major cities. The global impact of China's EV leadership is immense. By driving down costs through mass production, Chinese companies have made electric vehicles more affordable worldwide. In 2023, the average price of a Chinese EV was around $27,000, compared to $53,000 for Tesla's Model 3. However, China's EV dominance has also sparked concerns. Western countries worry about dependency on Chinese supply chains for critical components like batteries and rare earths. In response, nations like the US and EU are ramping up local production and imposing trade restrictions. Despite geopolitical tensions, Chinese EV makers are expanding globally. BYD has entered over 50 international markets, including Europe, Southeast Asia, and South America. This global reach underscores China's ambitions to shape the future of transportation. China's focus on renewable energy integration is also noteworthy. The country is working to ensure that EVs are charged using clean energy sources like solar and wind. In regions like Inner Mongolia, EV charging stations are directly connected to renewable energy grids. Looking ahead, China aims to achieve carbon neutrality by 2060, with electric vehicles playing a crucial role. By 2035, the country plans for all new car sales to be either electric or plug-in hybrid. Innovations like battery swapping, pioneered by companies like NIO, are setting new standards. This approach allows EV owners to replace depleted batteries in under 5 minutes, addressing concerns about charging times. In the luxury EV segment, Chinese brands are also gaining traction. NIO's high-end electric SUVs and sedans are equipped with AI-powered features and luxurious interiors, appealing to a global audience. China's focus on research and development is another driving force. The country spends billions annually to develop cutting-edge EV technologies, from solid-state batteries to advanced electric motors. The ripple effects of China's EV success are evident. Other countries are now following its lead, implementing similar subsidies and infrastructure programs to boost their own EV industries. As the world transitions to a more sustainable future, China's leadership in electric vehicle production is undeniable. Its innovations, investments, and vision are not only transforming the automotive industry but also setting the pace for global sustainability efforts. Thank you for joining us in this deep dive into how China is shaping the future of electric vehicle production. Stay tuned for more insights into the technologies and strategies driving the world forward.